yung letter na to, oh my God, we rewrote this inside PBB. Kaya lang hindi namin siya nagbasa sa isa't isa because na-evict kami, unfortunately, the next day. So, I think this is gonna be...
Oo, kasi parang ito ba yung time na hindi namin din masabi sa isa't isa yung... Parang ito yung chance kung yung gusto namin sabihin sa isa't isa. So parang mixed emotions para sa akin eh, kasi sabi ko, ang dami ko niligay dito, ako nakakahiya. Buti, hindi nga naman na-ere. So,
naka-pencil pa yun sa kanyang
pencil pa.
Babasahin natin sa isa't isa.
So, no.
Okay. Sino muna? Ikaw muna. Ako muna. Naya! Nakailang draft ako nito, tapos ano ko yung nasa naman deliver kasi nakailang ako. Okay, sige.
Yes. Pero syempre, di ba, para special din sa atin, babasahin nila yan. Says an exclusive lang pa ang Shelby's.
Dustin.
Ayan, sige na lang tayo. Ayan, thank you.
Dustin. I can still vividly remember the first time we ever met at Steve's house. It was my first day in BBB, wearing Esneer's precious school uniform, and you were at the back being one of the last housemates to shake hands with me. Honestly, you really didn't make much of an impression to me that night. All I remember telling myself was, siya pala yung chinitong may crush kay Ate Amanda. As moments passed by, your presence only came in passing through. I didn't notice you much only because you were so serious, sungit, and quiet all the time. In short, hindi nagtutugma yung pagka-OA ko sa pagka-nonchalant ko. Until one day, you suddenly appeared in my dream. Naka-time shot pa. Looking back, naisip ko na sobrang random naman nun. I mean, we barely even held eye contact, yet alone a proper conversation. Approximately 100 days later, as I write this letter, I have come to a revelation that my dream was fate's way of telling me that I was meant to fulfill my dreams and stay on this journey with you. Tinadhana akong tapusin ang laban na ito, sabi ko. Naalala ko ba yung pinakaunang beses na namangha ako sa'yo? This is when you were week 3 Sweetie Task Leader, aka Tokot Baboy era. And wag naman sana lala ko yung ulo mo, but you being able to command the room with your leadership skills was what really kept me in awe. Magaling na nga magluto, natural leader pa. As moments passed, another circumstance which made me understand as to why you were chosen by Kuya was when you were left in the secret room alone. You were last to leave and yet pinili mo pa rin sabihin na that's okay because you would have wanted to put everyone else before you. That certain situation made you realize that your unselfishness, generosity, is often overlooked in this house. When in fact, ikaw ang isa sa pinakamapagbigay na tao ng itinako. I hope you never change because thus, this is what truly sets you apart from others. Dustin, thank you for making me stronger. Dahil sa iyo, niniwala ako sa sarili ko at sa kakayanan kong labanan ang mga pagsubok na kailanman hindi ko akalain malalagpasan ko. From day one, you have been consistent in showing me your unending support, and I would trade anything for the world for you to see you through my eyes. I always tell you that I don't miss home as much when I'm around you, kasi literal na prinsesa ako sa'yo. Alagang-alaga at iniintindi mo, alagang-alaga at iniintindi sa bawat segundo ng bawat oras. Okay, tama na, cheesy na. Talaga. I want you to know that I am always proud of you. Kahit na magbagong panumalo, kahit na talikuran ka nilang lahat, o kahit na makailang away pa tayo, hindi ako magsasawang piliin ka araw-araw. As your duo, as your duo. No matter what, always and forever. Love ya.
Grabe naman. Sino po ang sino po?
The style of connections. Connections that you
Grabe.
Here.
Hindi ko na maalala kung ano sinulat ko dito. Sobrang kapalo ko na itong time na ito. Dear Bianca, lagi akong naghahanap ng chance para ipakita sa iyo kung gaano ka special. Finally, I got the chance to express myself through a letter. I always say that entering PBB is very unexpected for me, but I didn't expect that a person would make it cherishable. Binigyan mo ako ng bagong idea from the moment I first saw you coming from the garden area. Kami slow mo eh. Kasi sobrang confident mo, sobrang cute mo, sobrang ganda. At saka may ingay. You just came out of nowhere, but from that day, I never did not admire you, and it grew more and more each day. It just feels different getting to know you, not just because you are my opposite, but also for giving me a new perspective in different aspects. Ang dami kong natututunan sa'yo. And and I really can't deny that you made me a better person. Hearing your stories opened me to a lot of things. From your career, to your love to people, especially for your family. That made me love mine even more. You really have a great heart, Bianca. And naalala mo nung pinahiram mo lahat ng damit mo sa mga girls, na ni isang damit wala nang natira sa iyo. Diba? Sino yung mga si Ralph, si AZ. Sabi niya kay Ralph and I have to wait. Diba? Yun. Apa? Kaya, meron ka na lang sa akin. Yun! Feeling ko para-paraan mo na. Ayun. Kahit ilang problemang dumating sa nasabay-sabay, kinakaya mo. You are a fighter. One thing I also admire about you is your personality. I remember telling River na you really give... Ano to? Wala mo na kasi pencil eh. You really give light inside this house. Lagi mo kaming pinapatawa, pinapasaya, at gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi lagi yung tinatawag yung sarili niya, hindi ko alam kung alam niyo. Pasa lang, pasa.
Anong side chika? Pasa na? Diretso.
Saan na ba ako?
Para naman.
Naka-pencil kasi, malabo na.
Wala ako. Gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Sa bawat task na lahat ay magaling ka. Hanggat sa pagiging matapang at andyan ka para sa lahat. Hinahangaan kita kung sino ka at kung paano mo pinakita na kakayanin mo ang lahat. I'm very proud of you, Duo. You made it this far. You fought through serious battles. You showed how to be strong and not to give up. Never doubt yourself because you are unique and different in your own way. You are beautiful just the way you are. Meron ba?
Pasa. Pasa lang.
Sabi ko ba
Pasa na.
I want to end my first letter to you by saying I am beyond grateful that you came into my life. Trust me with all of my promises. I'm here to take care, protect, and make you the happiest. I can't wait for what's for us outside. I can't wait to create more memories and dreams with you, Bianca. I'll still be your duo outside at hindi ako magsasawa. Yours truly, Dusty.
And that's the Siya ng